In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become more confident and fluent in the Irish language by knowing about ma, níos fearr and is fearr. I'm going to explain what these mean and how you can use these words to trigger your brain to remember other related words and phrases that will complement ma, níos fearr and is fearr. So ma means good, níos fearr means better, and is fearr means best. Let's look at ma first, and there's so many ways to incorporate this into a sentence. Let's look at just a few of them now. Tá mé go maith. I am good. I am fine. Tá mé go maith. Ma galore. That just means okay or all right. Ma galore. Tránóna ma dit. Good afternoon to you. Tránóna ma dit. It can also be used with a variety of verbal nouns, and here's just two of the most common. Ag déanamh go maith, which means doing good, or ag immert go maith, which means playing well or playing good. Now let's move on to níos fearr. This means better, níos fearr. Tá sé ag éirí níos fearr. It's getting better, or it's improving. Tá sé ag éirí níos fearr. Mo chóig tú níos fearr ar ball. You'll feel better later on. Mo chóig tú níos fearr ar ball. Next we have is fearr. This means best. Sin an rud is fearr a rá. That's the best thing to say. Sin an rud is fearr a rá. Is é padar an timróir is fearr ar an bhfoireann. Peter is the best player on the team. Is é padar an timróir is fearr ar an bhfoireann. Let's go back to ma now, which means good. If something, someone, or some place is good, then they're probably going to be liked by people. So that's where you can use this phrase here, is maithlam, which is I like, and bavahlam, which is I would like or I want, bavahlam. That can also be pronounced with a W sound as well, bawahlam. Is maithlam an leabhar seo. I like this book. Is maithlam an leabhar seo. Bavahlam dul abhaile. I would like to go home. Bavahlam dul abhaile. So you can see how linking ma with is maithlam and bavahlam is one way to increase your richness and increase your fluency in the Irish language. Now I'm using the preposition le here, which means with or to, but it's also used to express feelings and opinions. I've made a video on the preposition le, and if you'd like to find out more information about this, I'll leave a link in the description. Let's look at níos fearr again, which means better. And this can prompt you, hopefully, to think of the following. Araus, which means excellent or wonderful, araus. And ag fiosú, which means improving. Ag fiosú, that's a verbal noun. Bhí an bia araus. The food was excellent. Bhí an bia araus. Tá rudaí ag fiosú. Things are improving. Tá rudaí ag fiosú. So if you can link níos fearr with araus and ag fiosú, then you can add extra variety and richness to your Irish. So if you have a sentence where you know you're going to be saying improving 2 or 3 times, well, instead of saying ag éirí níos fearr 2 or 3 times, why not swap it around with ag fiosú? And that way you can add to your richness and variety and ultimately your confidence both speaking and understanding the Irish language. Let's move on to is fearr, which means best. And if something is the best, you're probably going to prefer it. And that's where these great phrases will be so very useful. Is fearlam means I prefer, is fearlam. And bearlam means I would prefer, bearlam. Is fearlam go mór é. I much prefer it, or I prefer it much more so. Is fearr go mór é. Bearlum siúl. I would prefer to walk. Bearlum siúl. So if you're able to link is fearr with is fearlum and bearlum, you're giving yourself the tools and the ability to go off on a different but related tangent in an Irish language conversation. So I hope you can see how you can link the key words here of ma, níos fearr and is fearr to other words that are related and similar in terms of meaning, spelling and appearance. This can give you the ability to broaden the variety of words and phrases you use and therefore increase your confidence, richness and fluency in Irish. I want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters out there, both new and existing. I really appreciate your ongoing support. It really gives me great encouragement in developing this channel. So, gurb míle maith. If you enjoyed this video, don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with another Irish language video. Thanks for watching, agus slán tama.